What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, me and Abby Moth back there are going to be having to fix an exhaust leak on this thing. So when I put the downpipe on, where the actual downpipe hanger is, down below where the O2 sensor is, next to where the cat back bolt's on, there's a little bolt that's supposed to go through. Well, your boy never put that in. And you know what? When he fires the car up now, it's just like underneath the fucking center console. So we're going to go ahead and fix that today. So let's jump right into it. But yeah, so it's hitting the thinner driveline plate.
Is that?
That's what's happening. Yeah.
Jesus. Oh, but they're on one right in here.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah. So I gotta like go fucking do damn near a pull, cause look, it's hitting back here.
Yeah.
Right fucking here on my driveline. Oh, my driveline on the fucking driveline cover.
Do we need a fucking bolt or like a little?
No, it's got a nut welded on there.
Okay, I can't see. Let's just sit down and.
Is it throttable?
No.
I have to go farther.
I'll sit down.
Oh! What'd you hit?
My elbow.
On what? Abby, go slower. So how far down do I have to go?
Okay.
Okay. That's all I need to know. Is it through? Is it threaded?
It threaded a little bit, yeah.
It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work.
It needs to be unbolted from the back.
It's always fucking something with that goddamn the fucking camera. It's always fucking something with that goddamn fucking camera. I'm okay. I'm gonna need you to hold on it now so I can fucking do some bandage. You're gonna have to like
Come down there.
Yup. You're gonna have to hold it, or I can hold it. Hold up to 13 or a 12, and then we're gonna have to just like hammer the hanger on the ground and bend it back that way. Oh, 5 and a 14s right now. I found them. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You absolutely just do you fucking elbow the shell in my pencil?
I didn't mean to. And that's another 13. I knew it. They were 12s. Oh! Smash my finger, yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Gonna smash his finger, yeah, oh yeah. Gonna take this bolt out so I can get to the other one.
You not want to hold on it like I am?
You need to hold it down more. Yeah, now your left arm is stronger, huh? Smash my finger. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm taking off the hanger right now because it's all bent and fucked up. How I'm gonna get that bolt in there, I don't even know. It's easy coming out. I don't know how it's gonna be easy going back in now. Alright. Look at the bend on that.
Jesus. Alright, let's take it out and fucking hammer it with a... Just don't hit my fingers.
Not really any better, huh?
Or actually, how do I just do that? How do I just smash it straight?
Yeah, that's a good fucking idea. Yeah, just like that.
Actually, yeah, I'll take the bolt out.
Yeah, we're gonna like this.
There she goes. There she goes. She's straightening it out. Perfect. You can go just a little bit more.
Honestly, I think a little bend might be nice.
Alright. Fuck yeah. Way better.
Okay. So we're just putting the hanger back on now. And we're gonna attempt to throw a bolt through this thing. I don't know if I explained it, but right here, right pretty much above my gut, my belly button, is a bracket to hold the center drive line, and that's what the exhaust is tapping on. If you can hear that. So we're gonna stop that rattle by pulling down. We're gonna head straight the actual exhaust bracket so we can put a bolt in, which will dangle the downpipe down a little bit, which will ultimately pull a cap back down away from the center drive line. Make this shit happen.
That wire. And there she goes. The fucking tightest I can get it.
Okay, it's fine.
Do you know what it is?
No, we never checked. I think it's probably a 12. Just by the looks of it. I'll tighten it. It's pretty tight. Honestly, it probably doesn't even need to be tightened. It's so fucking tight already, you know?
Mm-hmm.
I'm getting shit in my eyes. Okay.
Like the gasket?
It's already way better, dude.
Mm-hmm.
It's because of
How fucking like
Like-
still it is and shit.
it's just like the cap back is dangling now at the perfect.
Mm-hmm. Do you know where the bolts are for that?
Yeah, they should be right next to us.
Yes, there. I got the tool stuck in my hand.
You got it when I do?
Yeah, you do everything.
I can see it.
And it's a 13?
No, these ones should be 14s.
Okay, hold on, close enough.
Okay.
You still have another fucking 14 down there.
What? How? Oh wait, it's over here.
You want to do this one over here?
Yeah, I can see it.
That shit looks so much fucking better down here.
Okay, it's done.
Oh, it's leaking.
I know. That's diff. That's diff, and then there's, yeah, I think it's leaking diff.
Yeah, I think so too.
So I think some of my trans axles are leaking too, but I don't fucking, my axles
Yeah,
are all
the driver's
blown.
side.
My axles are all blown out, so it's like I don't really want to pull them and then stick shitty axles back in because the boots are all fucking blown out.
Mm-hmm. I don't blame you.
I want to just pull this fucking transmission and then clean the whole fucking thing, and then just
Swap it.
have someone. Yeah, I don't want to place the 6-speed, but I'll pull the auto, put the R180 in it, and then do everything.
Yeah, you totally could. All right, well,
We're done.
we're done. Yeah. Yeah. Honestly, that was probably the easiest project we've ever fucking done. To be quite honest with you.
So just like that, guys, we went ahead and fixed this exhaust leak. I'm pumped about. We had to fuck with the hanger a little bit, so obviously there was something wrong from previous owner, so we fixed that. I'm pumped. As you guys can see, we have like a diff leak because the diff in the automatic trans is different than the 5-speed and the 6-speed. So we got something going on there, but hopefully I don't even need to get that fixed. I'm hoping I can just buy parts for the 6-speed and then just swap it in. I mean, that's my goal. I don't even want to fuck with the automatic anymore. I'm tired of that thing. It shifts funky. I don't know. It's just, I don't like it.
He's ready for something new.
Exactly.
Ready for
Amen,
something fucking
brother.
different.
If you guys like this one, I know it's a shorter one. You know what? Get ready for the next one. We got another fucking banger video coming out. Drop a like down below if you guys like this one or made a laugh or anything. And you know what? Subscribe for more because me and Abby are dropping banger ass videos freaking coming soon. That didn't make any sense, but I don't care because you know what? I'm pumped that we fixed that. Let's go ahead and clean the garage. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Blah.